How to react with emoji in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to react using the emoji onto the message, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, tap onto one of the channels or messages that you would like to react, just like this. And after that, you will find something like this, which are the messages. Now simply, to react with emoji, simply keep on tapping onto one of the messages, just like this. Then here you can find the emoji reactions right here. Now simply choose one, just like this. And now you can see you have reacted with the emoji right here. And that's it. This is how you can react with emoji in the Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.